Listen up. Are you a local or small business owner? Then you don't want to miss this. Let me ask you, are your products or services being found online? Because if not, you are losing out on an opportunity to make more money. I want to introduce you to a marketing idea that will change the way you do business. This is the hottest marketing tool today, video ads. Look, I understand you may be skeptical since maybe nothing has worked yet. You may even have spent lots of money on advertising with no results. But whiteboard video animation is so effective, TV commercials are even using it. So why use video ads? It separates you from the competition, it keeps viewers engaged and interested, and most important, it has proven to increase sales. You're watching the video and you can see for yourself. Animated video is absolutely fun and totally engaging. So, how does Profit with Video Ads work? After a free phone consultation, I will create a customized whiteboard animated video just like the one you're watching now. There are other animated videos to choose from as well. If you want to get more customers and make more money, call 212-989-8549. There is a special for a limited time only where you can save hundreds and hundreds of dollars. If you want new customers to find you, you must take action. So pick up the phone and call me at 212-989-8549. You can profit with video ads. Just call 212-989-8549 and let's get started today.